Hello everyone. Thank you for appreciating this innovative reservoir cum drip irrigator. There have been queries after my first video on YouTube as to what has motivated me to devise the bottle irrigator and how does it differ from existing kinds of bottle irrigators. Basically, this is for areas where water is not available or is scarce. Here, while explaining the reasons, I also exhibit faultless water or liquid fertilizer dripping by my irrigator under falling water pressure due to low volume of water. This is the critical period that favors formation of air block, which disturbs the water flow to the exit point and also blocks the dripping. Running video is a 10 to 15 minute play and has two horizontally placed water containing bottles. The irrigator on the left side has very low water volume as it has already dripped maximum amount of water. Let us first talk about the need of this irrigator. Media frequently reports failures of rains during cropping seasons and the tragic fears of losing crop faced by farmers and also plastic pollution. Therefore, reservoir cum irrigator has been devised keeping in view withdrawal or absence of rains after seed sowing, germination and or during early crop growth cultivated solely on rains and do not have any other water source like well or canal, etc. Crop growers have no choice. Disgusted crop growers just hope and wait till it rains. As of now, no irrigator is available to irrigate individual crop plant growing on large scale under rain-fed or rain-dependent conditions, except to carry water from distant sources and drench the crop plant, and associated drudgery has been highlighted frequently in newspapers as illustrated in previous video. Situations like rain failures happen year after year, repeatedly, resulting in water-starved withering of crop plants. This irrigator aims to provide timely relief, keeping in view the dry nature of land cultivation, terrain, portability, reusability, operational cost, etc., where there is a problematic penetration of water delivering insertions, installation due to undulating terrain, easy transport, multiple time utilization of irrigator, etc. My irrigator has been developed using discarded packaged water bottles available in billions and was customized with gadgets to make it a reservoir cum drip irrigator to be installed horizontally without any attachments like pipe, and no insertions or pegging in the soil is required. The irrigator is reusable number of times. It differs from normal bottle as it is fixed with novel gadgets to manage seamless, uninterrupted drip till the content is exhausted without any energy source, and gives cost-free operations under wide environmental conditions. The bottle works as a reservoir. Any vessel, including wastewater bottle that is screw-capped or open, can be used to drip water by making a hole and keeping screwed cap slightly open, but it has very limited scope and is non-dependable as these are prone to air block, therefore interrupting the flow or untimely or sudden exhaustion of the content, as there is no gadget for drip regulation, refilling and transport problems due to open holes besides difficult installation maneuverability. My unit of 1000 ml could moist 6-inch deep black cotton soil in 8.5 diameter pot, which is the area of active root growth in seedling to young plants. And a 2500 milliliter bottle was enough to saturate 7 kg soil collected from Vidarbh region cotton growing area, that is Nagpur. The irrigator can be refilled. Its number can be increased or reservoir capacity can be increased as per the need of water for a plant that depends on growth and other environmental factors. Commercially, the irrigator can be prepared as has been described in pending patent from discarded bottles, or existing bottle manufacturing industries can configure their bottles to make reservoir cum irrigator that can firstly be used for packing the primary product, which could be potable water or any other liquid, and later on used as an irrigator. This will prevent the flow of waste bottles and hence prevent plastic pollution. Large number of irrigators are required considering large rain dependent, widely spaced crops and also roadside plants. Therefore, it is an effective way to manage plastic pollution as well as save water, as the water is dripped and absorbed by soil. This device is most ideal to drip or apply water-soluble fertilizer that would increase the yield, and also for plant protection systemic pesticides.